Yeah, I'm disconnected now. Okay, so we were on the phone, and I think just connected to the somewhere. And so now we're quickly. So now we're back, and let's see. So same error, and we got no. So apparently, if you put in like nothing, it breaks. FAQ shouldn't break. And then I'll retry. So are we back now? We are. Connection is no more great. Okay, sorry guys, for some reason it's like bad right now. And so we'll try again. So not now, 0. And that works. I think it's just connection problem. I don't think it's not a problem because we haven't done anything special. Like we're definitely going just and say hello.
Yeah.
And was it? I don't think it's our problem. I think it's something temporary. And that's it. Now we just need to like be able to list.
Yeah.
And so we can move this one back because we had the same issue before. So wait, and then we have just list FAQ, and then we're gonna go through the FAQs and just print them all.
Yeah.
And in this FAQ, since we are gonna already have to get them both ways, we'll do that, and then pass it in as a parameter in there, and then these FAQ data, FAQs, and then we build the string builder. Now I'm just gonna go by. I think it's FAQ. We can already put the length count, and then for each FAQs. Oh yeah, FAQ data, FAQ in queues. sp dot append the thing, right?
Yeah.
And so what we want is FAQ dot wait. Okay. So should I answer? Should we want to list like a number also?
Yeah, number would be nice.
Bye bye. So we have index plus dot, then we have that one, that, no, make it bold.
Ah, does that make it bold?
Yeah. And then we make the answer, and we'll just check because it's just my feeling. Then we do this, and then we do 1. If it, of course, I switched. Answer. Yeah, because it's the first one, and then I at first one I put the first one, the second I think, oh yeah, we need here we need the question, and I get messed up.
Oh, okay.
That's my let's connect again, and then here what we can do is that what we do is add a list of keywords, right? So then somebody can look for them.
Yeah.
And then for each string keyword in FAQ.keywords, and I think maybe, but then I'm gonna append it in a way that like I'm going to append a line, right? So this should be done at the end. this should be a string.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, wait, we switch.
Yeah.
Pre message. Okay, and then I'll tell you the idea. Okay, so here you put pre message. And that's it for the moment.
Yeah.
And then in there you are putting new like
Backslash.
no.
No, you don't have a new line.
Ah, then it's okay. We do it. Then we don't have to do this. You want a new line for it?
Yeah, I think it'll be nicer with a new line.
Then oh. This is okay. And just put a SBFN for everything.
Oh, so each of the keywords then would also be on a new line?
No, then you make a new string builder
Yeah,
for.
that's what I was thinking. String keywords.
No, the string builder.
String builder.
Yeah.
And then I was gonna append like sb.append.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Then we can have just like keywords.
And this one, right? It would be an array.
I said just like list them.
Okay, do that. I like the array, but I can't complain.
Exactly.
Today I'm not allowed to complain.
Exactly. Keyword plus commas.
Maybe.
Yeah, most of the time.
Yes, no, do a for. Redo this.
Okay.
The for them. Don't be lazy.
I thought we'd
Don't
like.
be lazy.
Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted.
Be lazy.
Why? It's not lazy. It's efficient.
Come on. Oh, if you take like 10 seconds to admire the efficiency, yeah, no efficient.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Cause
Never did. No. One liner.
oh. Oh, like this thingy majiggy, like where you like is.
Yeah, but it gets done at the end, right? No.
No.
Yeah, that's correct, of course. But you need to do it at the end. You need plus, then parentheses, and then you do I, not like less than. FAQ, keywords are same minus one, so it's not plus one. Then you do this is the thing. Question.
Yeah.
Then the truth.
Truth is.
Comma. So if it's not the last one, then we put space. And if it is the last one, then we put
Full stop.
And then you clean up this mess. And now we got the string builder. We are into the string builder.
It's b.append keywords.
Yeah, but then keywords probably you want them to be doubled.
Made bold or something.
Yeah, doubled.
Doubled, the technical term.
Yeah, double for the bold, and then sb dot to string. Boom, bam, bam. Functions suck. Save and go. Tasty, lol. We didn't show it.
Oh, that makes me so sad.
It was beautiful, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
it's there. But we didn't see like you appreciating. You should have changed. But sometimes people make mistakes. Huh? So I won't say anything
Whose
about your
mistake
mistake.
was that? It was not my mistake.
course your mistake.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, let's cast a vote. Mistake is.
Pow.
Okay.
Time's up.
Time's up. Okay.
Okay.
Test and go. Boom, boom, boom. No new space. There should be. And we're not increasing the.
We're not making new lines.
Yeah, well, that's of course. That's. It was the elephant in the back. Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
exactly. And then there on the dot.
I understand. I wanted to put it there. So now making new lines
Wait,
everywhere.
Did we switch? Wow.
Mama.
I think that just proves.
Proves nothing.
Who's
Proves nothing.
rubbish at switching scenes.
Proves nothing. Okay, index plus plus. Boom.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, so number one. And now, since I'm like feel very confident on this, I'm gonna add more FAQs. So, because I mean, well, it's a bit lame to just have 2 FAQs. So FAQs. Can we just drop? Yeah.
So no cheating, no lolling. No.
Is it Lloyd?
No. Lloyd. Can I Lloyd? I think we actually need to work out what some real FAQs are. I feel like this is important.
Okay.
Yeah, all of them would have banned as keywords.
So now we're trying.
What
Now
gets
we're
me
trying.
banned?
Yeah.
Lecturing, cheering.
So we'll go. So can I do FAQ list bound?
Oh, it needs an extra new line after.
Yeah, and also I think we need like the we did something like a line. Remember last time? I don't know if we.
I don't think it needs a line though.
Anyway, also keywords too strong there.
Yeah.
Anyway, so and also, man, it just needs those brackets. You know what I mean?
It so doesn't.
It's so
like,
like-
it so does not need those brackets.
Anyway.
Like it's not code. It's like.
Yeah, I think like band didn't come up.
Of course,
Yeah,
it doesn't come on.
because here, let's go in the general chat. If I put band bar, what? Bar. Yeah, band.
Yeah.
See, it works
No,
there
because-
there is the internal on the server, so then
Yeah.
it works there, so there's no problem. So we make a new
No.
line. Yeah, it works enough.
It won't.
It will.
This is the problem I was having when I was making a Discord bot.
It doesn't.
Like I wanted to send across that,
Yeah.
and it doesn't. It's just like whatever. I don't know what that is.
Okay, with the lock. I'll try. Okay. Boom. Maybe.
Switch seats.
Yeah, one sec. Down. Now we got new lines. We need more new lines apparently. And keywords no, it's
no
not correct.
bold, yeah.
And also quite an MSA. Quickly. Maybe the keywords are like
Italic.
yeah.
And then the answer isn't.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, reading my mind there, and then I think like just makes it better.
Oh no! It's not
We're
like,
beautiful.
it's
Let's try.
not like
Let's
that.
try. Let's try. I mean, why can you just like why
Okay.
bossy? Why you bossy? No, not allowed to be bossy.
I'm never bossy.
It just proved like how bossy you are. Anyway, so now Cruise FAQ can be crafted. See, beautiful.
Oh, it looks awful.
And
No, I
see,
don't like
lock
it.
is there.
Oh, look.
Shut up.
Why did it work?
Shut up. What? So it works.
Yeah, but why didn't it work for me then? That's so annoying.
Noob. Okay. So,
Oh, I know why. I was trying to do something much more complicated. That's why.
yeah, you're using different ones. No. So keywords like that they didn't work very well.
No. But I think the keywords being like
I
that
think
looks
like
good.
yeah,
But,
I think they shouldn't have the word keywords.
Why not?
It looks a bit ugly.
But that's what it is, right? Like.
I know, but we don't have to like tell everybody all the time what they are. I don't think they should be pulled out. I mean, they should. We'll do testing.
Italics.
Italics. What's that?
Oh, with switch.
Ooh.
Time's up.
Okay, wait. Switch the scene. So now we're just fixing the look of that. So go.
3, 2, 1, vai!
And maybe without a full dot at the end.
Yeah, so firstly, like, let's get keywords back. Secondly,
No.
let's remove the dot and the square brackets.
No, but anyway, this sucked. This one sucked balls.
No, this one, yeah,
This
this one sucked, but
this one
only
No,
because
no.
keywords is in bold.
No, but then it becomes like, even with this one, say without that one.
Fine, only because I'm not bossy and a very nice person.
No, because you realize it's not great. I agree, no, like, we can have no need of like, brackets.
No, I mean,
No, brackets we
if
need.
you, yeah, if you're removing keywords, then you have to have something.
So yeah, we agree there. So what's the point now?
You remove keywords already.
The full stop at the end.
And non-italics.
Well, there was no italics. No, but this is already the same.
Oh,
This
okay,
full
so
stop.
then it's fine. So you already made the changes.
Back.
Nothing, not sure. Turing, not that. Can I use a notering? Notering ban with it. Is spamming questions on all channels about yes, haha, no, instant ban, banned.
Insta perma ban.
Insta perma ban, banned. Spamming is banned.
I think it's great.
I think it's like it's
No, but it does the job. And now I try to
yeah,
find
no,
like
it's such.
FAQ, loiter, or spam. I like spam.
Let's do spam, and then let's do ham, because it should be like.
Yeah,
It's like,
should be
oh,
the
I just
same,
misspelled.
Yeah. We need to like fix this one, right?
Yeah.
So it needs to be the same as the other one.
Okay. Yeah.
So just copy this. So yeah, that like
Almost everything.
everything I think, because also the number, no?
No, because there's no need for number.
Yeah, but then we
Because
tell him
we-
which one. Understand? But wait a second. We're telling this is number 4
But how would we get that?
because we're going through all of them anyway.
No, we're not. We just have the
We're
FAQ.
going through all the way. The index is the number of FAQ. So you put an index there. You count how many FAQ you went through, and you have to go through all of them anyway. It's not for
Okay.
each. So it's the same.
So rude.
Copy it.
I'm just gonna paste this here. Oh no, not quite.
So it went exactly the same, right?
Yeah.
But instead of like it's most. Should I not stop the program? No. You should stop the program.
Oh my god, that's so annoying.
Where
did it go?
Where are you going?
Where did it go?
Where are you going? Undo the lock.
Undo lock. Why did it? Where did the thing go?
And it didn't go anywhere.
Oh, because I didn't copy.
Copy everything. Index. Why not? It's good. I mean, you like if you change it, then like it's not just finding. You just make a new message. Instead, that one is exactly the same. No, just the most similar.
Sure.
And then you copy that one. And then you
Get rid of
mess.
this. Yeah, we don't need this. We don't.
Yeah, it's
You
an
mean
actual
this,
message.
yeah.
No, it's an actual message. No, it's okay. It's a message. It's a message.
Ah, sure. Very clear
Well, it's a
instructions.
message. I'm not.
It's a message. Like,
I'm not directing you.
what does that mean? I'm just getting annoying because change shit. Index.
But now we don't know which one. No, yeah, we know because we increment only when you go there. So basically, when you
No, you have to increment every time.
no, it starts from 1. Yeah, but then
And then we have to have like current index
yeah,
or
like final index.
selected
Yeah, similar FAQ.
index.
Yeah, and nothing and 0.
0.
And so and then you got there.
And then you have to.
Yeah, plus.
Yeah.
I like to start from
1
and then add at the end.
Yeah,
Just make it
that's nice.
right?
Yeah.
The 0 and then
So
you put it
it
in.
should still be 1.
No. Noodle.
3, 2, 1, vamos!
If you put 0, then you can troubleshoot that there was a problem. You use it when you put 0. You can check. But if you put it exactly as 1, it's no different from like there is never
okay.
0. And then in there you put. This one. Otherwise you need to put it up.
No, because this is already 1.
No. Oh, sorry. Maybe. Yeah, then it's okay. It's good. And now you use that one on there. Go. No, and then no FQ. No. Chop.
I think if no FAQ is found, then we should just respond with the list.
Yeah, I mean, no FAQs found. No. But you will never find nothing. Never found. Because he always finds the most similar. We're not threshold enough. So that we put it as a way that if it comes up often, then we need to like do something. It's probably never gonna come up.
Yeah.
Because if there's only one, it puts like banana, and it's gonna turn it.
Yeah.
Then I'll be like, that's
It's gonna just return the first one.
this is gonna turn the closest one anyway. Boom, boom, boom. So, hammer time.
So this should return spamming.
Loitering. Because
Time and loiter?
loitering. Anyway, we trust. I mean, I know how you do the spam.
What if you put the question exactly? Try to see what happens.
But it's not about the question, right? It's never about the question, it's about the keywords.
Yeah.
Is that good? Loitering. Ooh. Can I lol? Pretty good. Sweet.
Now try FAQ list and then another word and see what happens. Because you didn't test that. Very good.
Pretty good.
Yeah. So now at some point we're gonna have to come up with real FAQs, but I guess we're not
But-
gonna do that in the stream.
Yeah, I think like it's going to. This is good start. This is good start because like these are everyday use.
What?
This is everyday use, you know. I can
What?
I can always like, you know, you can always and ooh, you know what we can add, since we have like a bit of time, we can put like if the thing is a number, we return that number.
What?
If you say FAQ1, it returns number 1. Like if you remember by number, like that I think is pretty good.
Who would you remember by number? You?
Yeah, I think it's good. We have a little extra time. We didn't know what to add like at the end. I think it's a good idea. It's a good idea.
I think you have to have like no life if you're remembering them by number.
I think that there is no problem.
So you're scrapping yourself.
Yeah. Private bool is number string s return true. Yeah, switched. See, that shows that I'm doing. So anyway, so now we have that one and it's okay. What we want basically is, yeah, else if queries the length is equals to 1 and queries position 0 and is number done, then we do the same as that.
Time's up.
Return. Instead of index, it would be this queries, right? Because it's a number.
Yeah.
And then we do FAQ
3,
list
2, 1, go.
position. The thing is, you go.
What if they give you a wrong number?
Sorry. Ah, yeah. Then we do a check, right?
Okay, sure.
Me too. Oh yeah, you can. So maybe we do like this.
Yeah,
Do it. Yeah, go back. So this is what we were before, and you can check if the number is.
Should I check in here? Or I do a check? Otherwise, so if
it's a number, then we do a check.
Yeah.
But then like.
If queries.
And then, yeah, if you do the check on top.
0 is greater than.
No, because it's a string.
Ah, so we need to convert
Parse, yeah. So the problem is. So if this fails, then we might want to go. Yeah, I think like if someone puts a number and that's it, it would just look for that and then it will not return anything. Like it will say not found.
Return like
and not
the last
found.
one. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to convert it to a number.
Yeah, parse. Integer, of course. Just put it already into an int. No, don't put that. Save it already as we need it again.
Okay, sure. Int
ID.
equals queries.
No.
Integer doubles.
Yeah.
Integer not pass.
Integer, I think.
Yeah, autocomplete.
Then then here is int is small int. And then here you put big P, I think. Yeah.
Oh, and then +1.
I think this we could do smart way though.
-1.
Yeah, we could do smart way because now each number is not like necessary. Because we can do a try catch. Yeah, we can do a try catch. Return. So put like. Should do parse number here to return an integer.
Okay.
Parse. Big P.
Oh.
It's okay. Then don't do anything here. Well, Then there, then you put the ID out, right? The ID parse da da da.
Oh yeah. Out and about there.
Yeah. And then here you do parse number instead of like int parse, do parse number.
Okay.
And then in there you put if and if query length yeah, here if it's nothing, then we're not going to return it, and that is correct. And then if ID different or greater than -1. Yeah, but now we're gonna like don't have to do any of that. It's already checked. And then here you can do the if ID is less than the size, and then here's the logic of like we're definitely gonna plus minus one. But then this one has to be greater than 0. Because this would be the one that input by people, right? And so if ID -1.
Or not even -1, it just needs to be.
Yeah, maybe if ID less than. No, greater than. Yo.
No, less than the length.
Yeah, less than that.
Then we can.
But the ID has to be
less than or equal to, because you can put the length, right?
Yeah, equal. Yeah.
And here we have ID and then
-1.
Yeah.
So then ID becomes so ID is already everything is -1 already by default. So take it out and we do -1, right?
Okay.
Then it's already a 0 base, so it has to be more than the -1. If it's less than the length, so then we don't have to touch anything. And then we do FAQ data list position ID.
Apart from that first ID, you need to add one back to it.
No, which one?
Await reply async ID.
No, this is okay.
No, because you -1 from it.
Thank you. I mean, here we can just use query then. And then here what we do is that we do I think it should be a try catch with an autocomplete. So we do int ID equals -1, or no, we don't know. Return okay, int ID equals try parse. So result. Yeah, we need to see how I do it because I'm not used to C# on that. So we try parse it. If we get, if successfully parsed, then we just let's see. We have an example. If int ID equals -1 out int s return ID who is going to be we don't assign to it. That's it. then it's going to -1, and it's going to be okay.
Mm.
And if the ID is going to be just be the ID. And then we do like do the logic and build a logic check. So if it's correct, it's going to return the 0 base number. If the query is just that one and ID is valid ID, then we can do like, if it's within that one, it's okay. Else we show what? We show invalid FAQs like that. Something like that. Okay, so if it's 1 is greater than 1, then if ID is less than the length, then we get the question answer from. Okay. How are we doing with the stream? Oh, like we had great internet like for a while. FAQ 1 or FAQ 1.4. Just to break it.
Shouldn't break it.
I'll try to break it. Invalid.
Down.
So C broke it. But at least like means, so if you put 3, which one do we get? We get 4. Because maybe we should have put. It's a bit slow. Invalid FAQ share. So there is something in the check. So let's kill. So invalid means if queries the length. Length is 1. Count. Boom, fixed. Yes.
Switch.
Fixed on time. Can I get some water? But I want to test it. FAQ 4.
Very good.
Right on time. Now you can fix whatever you want. Want to get some water? Want some water?
Yes. Okay, so now everything pretty much works. But
Pretty much.
yeah, okay, fine. Now everything works, but I think it looks a bit ugly. So
Not fair.
maybe I fix it. Maybe I make it look nice.
What? Okay, I'll give you one attempt to make it better, but it does not. It cannot be something you already did.
What do you mean?
Like you cannot just redo something that we already did. Like said no.
No.
Like you cannot just be like, oh no, it's Q or top, and then be like, oh yeah, that's.
No, I think like, for example, the if statement is kind of confusing.
But I thought like the output.
No, not the output. I mean like the code.
Okay, then it's fine.
So private boolean like is ID search, something like that.
Is ID search? What is that?
Is ID query.
Oh.
So like this first one.
Yeah, but remember somebody like looking at like that one, like look up all the functions.
And then we take this and make it is ID.
It's okay, that's clear.
I don't know, man. I think it's a bit ugly.
Yeah, okay. So try to find reply async without like being a pain in the ass.
Reply async.
Yeah, find like say you want to know what it does.
And
yeah, okay, you need to find, huh?
Reply.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure you can just like right click or something.
I understand, but it's like it's not what you want to do when you want like if it's like a simple then you go there. Yeah, but then like come on, there's not a point. The point is like imagine someone says it says, oh, it's the ID query, and you think, oh, what does that do? And then you look and then you just see return this. And you're like, oh, serious?
Yeah. Even this one, like I don't know. I mean.
Okay, so wait. You are going to replace it is ID query with queries and ID. how is that like any better? Now I don't know, like
Yeah, I'm not saying is ID query is the best name,
no, but it's just
but
it's
I
so-
would fix it like that.
no. I'm telling you, it's not. Because I mean, if
Different
you
school of thought.
no, if you can read it, like when it's kind of like what is it like this? You can read it. When the length of the
Yeah,
query is
no,
just
I
one,
mean-
and it, like if you can't read it, it's not like that's it.
No, I mean.
Like this one definitely. Like this one, like, it's a lot of stuff. Like it's not like an and and a not and an and. Like this is you can definitely read. Like oh yeah, check if it's a list. That this is okay, but this one you're asking like this is elementor and then like this.
Yeah, I know, but it's not like so much. Like you can look at that and completely understand what the code does, but you don't necessarily understand the intent. And so
But
what I'm trying to make
I'll
clear
show you.
is the intent.
And that's my comments.
Yeah, I prefer doing it
The
code.
comments. You cannot like.
No, honestly,
I-
I've read books on this.
Wow,
I have.
great job.
And like the influential books,
Just right,
which
great
are better
comments.
than comments, and they actually think comments are bad. Anyway, check if query.
Very happy to know work professionally together.
What?
Very happy to know work professionally together.
Oh my god. Don't
Big
even
C,
talk to
big
me.
C, by the way.
Yes, I know.
No, it's like the standard.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about, the standard.
Yeah, the big C.
Alright, that I don't mind.
Fix. Fix.
Fix.
Just anything you think needs to be fixed. So you read books, influential
Yeah,
books.
and I'm like not allowed to do them.
No. Yeah, just put in functions which are longer than like.
So no, it's
Come
about
on.
describing
Let's
the
keep him. Let's move
intent.
on. Let's move on. Yeah, you got comments. No, I like it. Come on.
Yeah, honestly.
I read these books and like then people like who don't really understand them go and make big general like statement on this. Like yeah, it depends on the case, but when it's if it's simple and like if you start a micro function for everything,
Yeah,
Time's up.
it makes it look really pretty.
Very different.
Formats,
By the way, thumbs up.
FAQ. I feel like you killed my time.
You can go a bit more.
3, 2, 1, go.
Question.
I just put the FAQ right.
Sure. And yeah, okay.
Yeah, there was this book. He said like just if you got the object, just like use the object. You know what I mean? It's very influential. You're eating my time.
No, this is my time.
No, it's my time now. There was
You
a.
stole my time.
I didn't say. I brought you water. Anyway, so let's do like proper things now, guys. All right.
No.
Okay.
Well, this is my one.
Yeah, I mean this one I allow it. And also we need to see how many times it gets used because if it gets used never.
3 times.
So there's that one, and yeah, that's fair enough. So is it exactly the same? There we're not putting a new line. No, we're not putting a new line, so maybe we'll do that. Format. So return boom. Ready, make your answer done. Okay. Great. That one same. Oh no, opposite same. So okay, and there is that one.
Oh no, now you can't put queries because that's the string. So just put ID plus 1.
Yeah, now we standardize the output. And let's kill this one, that's a bit long, and the search, and that one. Okay. So let's go and check if
Should be IE.
Yeah. See, when you do say something correct, I don't fight it. But when you're like making silly stuff,
No,
and,
that one should be EG. The first one should be EG, that's why I didn't correct you.
first one, yeah.
The one's an example and the other one's literally what it is.
Okay, see, I'm not complaining. Like, you know, when it's correct, it's
No.
fine. It's fine.
It's pretty much consistently correct.
So, it's been found, should be able to message at boom. Boom. Beautiful. That's it.
Okay.
Searches on Unity. No, not really. So search. UDH FAQs.
Yep. And why is the search FAQ function like a name underlined scribble?
Because it's just magic stuff, and it's my autocomplete thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now we can push.
Shall we check it one last time? See if we didn't break anything.
Yeah, that's true. We should do it. Boom. See, when you say correct.
Always.
No, like if someone is like a dictator and says like no, then like even if it's good or bad, wait, if it's good or bad, can I finish?
Yes.
Yeah, when it's good or bad, then it makes no sense, right? But then when things are definitely good and say, oh yeah, that's good, and then if things are controversial and it says no, then you should trust this person, you know?
I think I know who the dictator is here.
I'm not saying that you're a dictator. I'm saying like if that was like if someone just said no, like no all the time or yes all the time, that would be like there would be no brain into it. But it says yes to yes and no to things that you think is yes, but other people think maybe you should not complain too much.
Should not fetch table.
And it's not like trying to work me up when it's like
Wake you up.
work me up when it's like 11
Okay, both connected.
again.
Try again.
I think it just gave up on your your things, man.
Oh my god,
FAQ
we
list.
broke everything.
FAQ list.
FAQ list. Oh, so the FAQ one's not working.
Okay, try again.
Let's just try the other ones.
Try it when I'm done, then. I think it was a URID, EaseID, just made it like go crazy. Okay, go try the rest. Number. Yeah. Beautiful. No.
Doesn't work.
No. Checking on your message out on edit.
Yeah, that's true. FAQ true.
So now, like, why is it now not working? What did you do?
I didn't try it.
So we're not getting any message. I wonder if like I can do It shouldn't be this, but so definitely gets in there, right? These two.
Why? I think it's not getting in there.
I know, but where are they? You must be doing something. So let's just put a comment here. Like copy this one. Put a bot command that says like, where there? This thing. Where is the list? Baby, mouse.
No.
Mouse.
No.
Come on.
Mike.
Mike. Mike. What?
Try again.
So are we getting any work?
Yeah, I think it's
Do it for all of them. Like do for each. In the else means like it gets caught in the. It gets caught in this one. And so maybe that's considered. Because we got else if and then like query is 0, and then it cannot go anywhere else.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
EVQ. Yeah. So maybe it's getting caught by the ID.
No, because it will say no ID found. Just put every line. No one check. No. What are you doing?
Kill.
Well. No, you see, create and equals 1. It's not that. Try to put it after the ID. Because I think the try parse is not working properly. So let's run it. Because the try parse should handle this like if it's nothing, right? If it's null. But maybe it doesn't. If you put in like null, yeah, because you're trying to it's true. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't return an error because of magic. So you can't access this one, right?
Yeah.
Papa, time's up.
That's true. Yep. So maybe we should just parse number.
3, 2, 1, go.
I wonder if you do like.
Why didn't you do that outside? Like ID equals null, or like, what do you mean? So then we don't have to do anything, and then we don't have to. Yeah, we still need to
Yeah,
check.
no, I'm checking. 1 second. Then we can solve a check.
Why? Because we still need to check that there's only one thing in the queries list.
Is it? We just split it.
Oh, okay.
But then what we could have done. Let me think. I think no, there's a smarter way to do it. This one returns already a number. It's right there. and if we go inside, it means there's a number, right?
Yeah.
And then we can throw it. We can just redo it. And this one needs to be -1, right? Then we can do greater than 0. And then we can do that thing here.
Okay, and then so you're returning -1 if it's.
No. Now we have +1, and then we.
Yeah, I know, but say it's a word, then.
Yeah, return -1.
Okay.
And before we do ID, and then with all -1, now we don't need it, so it's gonna be 0. Someone didn't switch it.
That's you.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Someone.
Someone. Well, I don't know.
Needs to pay more attention.
Maybe it's too late.
Ah, very good. I'll try out the commands.
Thank you for instructing me.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no problem. It's probably now a bit slow with the interwebs. Or is it? Okay. Yeah, it's just slow now. Yeah. Great, and then we can search just to make sure. Joe. Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Beautiful. So clean up the mess.
So much about
Just a second, something quick.
Wait, where's the list here?
Thank you. So now it's all done, all
I think
tested.
there's one more.
No, I cleaned up already. Yeah. So now we do pushy. So well, this is okay. I'm just gonna add the stuff. First attempt.
That was second.
No,
No? Okay.
just ask for it. It doesn't even acknowledge my accomplishment getting it right first time. So new, go back down.
Time's up.
So now we got extra down is there. So now make a pull request. Oh yeah, like we didn't set up your account here. You want to set it up? Or?
Yeah.
2, 1.
But it's pushed already using yours.
No, you can marry it. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. I mean, there's a video proof of that. If you care about
It
that.
doesn't matter.
So checking mergeability. Able to merge. Okay, merge. So we do added. No, wait, stop this. Wrong. Added search FAQ function.
Command.
Command. Yeah, boom. Here are the commands we added. Between it searches all the
should have done the group thing. Now I think about it.
Right?
Oh well.
What?
You should have done the group command instead of just single command.
Top of you. Enjoy.
And say that we might need to update the FAQ.
Ah.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Checking image. No conflicts. So now this one ends it for
Yeah.
today.
That's a
Nice.
very short stream.
No, usually normal. It's not very long. Like last time, it's like 2 hours. So
Yeah.
this is normal, and we've done all the things in the list. So we show the FAQ list. We are searching, and we can also retrieve specific FAQs, which is like extra, and we did a pull request. So
Okay.
thanks. And that is about it.
Yeah.
So thank you for everybody who's
Watching.
watching us and who's been watching us. You can follow us if you want to follow us. Otherwise, don't follow us. Big deal.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that's it. So next week, what's gonna be? Next week
we got some ideas.
you got some ideas.
We're
We
not
might
sure. Yeah.
might be working on some stuff.
No,
we got
no.
one idea. We got one idea.
No, we got 2 ideas.
Really? What is the second one?
I'll talk about it later.
Okay. And then
But no more Discord bot, that's for
no,
sure.
yeah, well,
Unless there's a sudden request.
unless there's some requests which are cool enough. Otherwise, yeah. And then on Monday, I'll probably gonna be back with my stream if internet permits. But other than that, we're good.
Yeah.
And take a moment to all the gods of like design. I'm like sorry for the decisions we made.
What?
It's okay.
You mean you got bad design skills?
No,
Is that what you're saying?
I'm great. Like I'm
Because
great.
that's what I'm hearing.
No, I'm saying I'm sorry for like I'm asking sorry for like.
You got no idea anyway.
Anyway, I read books.
Yeah, I've read books.
I read books. Okay.
I've read books.
Influential
like
people.
the whole book. I read the
whole book. Oh my goodness.
about clean code. That's like dedication.
That's great, man.
No one does this, and so that means I know.
I mean, I think the person who wrote it did read it.
No, because he wrote it, so he didn't read it.
He went through once at least.
Yeah, but it's not the same. Anyway.
He read it. Anyway.
Many people have read it. It's like called clean code, something like that.
So you said no, you're the only one who read it.
No, I didn't say this. I said you definitely haven't read it.
Yeah, but like I haven't read your book, that book maybe. Actually, I think I skimmed through your book. Anyway, it doesn't matter. If you're fixing code and your explanation is longer than the code that was replacing, maybe not very clean code. And good night.